Hello, today we're going to talk about the external surface of the cranial base. So let's start from here. Here we have the alveolar process of maxilla processes and the palatine process of maxilla, the ancestral fossa, and the horizontal plate of palatine bone. And here you have the vomer, which is a thin flat bone that is a part of the bony nasal septum. And here you have the pterygoid fossa. Here you have the processes of pterygoid processes with the medial and the lateral pterygoid plates. And here you have the foramen magnum. It is the big foramen here with the occipital condyles. And the foramen magnum is important because through which passes the spinal cord, the meninges, and the medulla, of course, and the vertebral arteries and spinal arteries and veins. And the spinal accessory nerve, the 11th cranial nerve, and the condylar canals here below the condyle, the occipital condyles, through which an emissary vein passes. And it's important to know this for foramen lacerum. In a living human, it is covered with cartilage, and for some reason the internal carotid artery and nerve plexus passes there. And we have, you remember the mastoid process. Below it we have the mastoid foramen and also a mastoid, another emissary vein here. It's called the mastoid emissary vein, passes from this place. And here you have the foramen ovale. It's an oval shaped foramen for the mandibular nerve, which is the third branch of the fifth cranial nerve, the trigeminal nerve. And also an accessory meningeal artery goes out from this foramen ovale. And next to the foramen ovale, near a little spine here, is called, I don't know if you can see it, okay, this foramen spinosum. Okay, foramen spinosum is from the middle meningeal artery and vein and the meningeal branch of the mandibular nerve. It's a very important place, or it carries a very important artery, which is the middle meningeal artery. And why this artery is important is because if it got injured, death can occur in a few hours, but it usually isn't injured in this place. That could injure the middle meningeal artery, and that's so very serious. And what else do we have? We have the jugular foramen, through which three cranial nerves pass, which are the 9th, the glossopharyngeal, and the 10th, the vagus, and the 11th, the accessory, and for sure, the internal jugular vein. That's why it's called jugular foramen. And here we have the carotid canal for the internal carotid artery and the accompanying nerve plexus, which are for sure called the carotid plexus. And I think we covered, oh wait, between the spinous process, styloid process, and the mastoid process, you have the stylomastoid foramen. So I think, no, we're done. Okay, good luck, bye.